Guys, this is my 2003 G35 and I have the slip light on the dash. I figured a lot of you guys have it but aren't sure what it is. But basically, normally that's for your cam sensors, camshaft position sensors, or they call it cam angle sensors. Just a quick video to show you guys how to get to it. It depends on the bank that you're doing. So one of them are located right here. Right on the back of this one, it is a push button clip. Like, it's not one of those squeeze and take off. You got to push it in, and then when you hear the click, then you could take it off. And then you need a 10mm bolt right there to the left of it. Take that out, and the sensor comes right out. Let me show you guys what it look like. Looks like this. And save yourself some money and get only the Nissan original sensor. Okay, you don't want to get no cheap stuff because the cheap stuff is gonna go out shortly anyways. Now for the driver's side, I'm not sure which one of mine went bad, but I'm changing both of them just because. I seen a video that said I could go through here, but it's still a tight space. So, and this is the wire. So if you look off this wire, I took the intake, this part of the intake off. So if you look, this wire is the end of the connection. So maybe if I could pull this through, I could show you the clip on there. See, that shit is so tight as everything else on this goddamn car. But it's still a push button. You push the clip on there and it releases it. Now, I went ahead and went from this side of the car, right? And it's a green connector. If you can see it, focus right here. So you see this clip, you push it down, push it in like that, click, and it clicks, and then you could take the sensor off. You're gonna have to feel for back there because you can't really see back there very well, but you could feel the 10mm, and once you take that off, you could just replace it. So I'm gonna do that and drive the car for a little bit, and hopefully it comes off. I know some of the symptoms that people get is their car shutting off on them regularly or not starting at all. I haven't gotten that far. The light was just on. I didn't even know about it. But somebody with a G35 was like, hey, you might want to get those. And I did run the codes on it, and some of them are related. So yeah, hopefully that's helpful for you guys. But you can reach both of them from this side. So one here, and then you reach back. You'll feel the clip. It's the only clip that you could push down that's back there. And both of them have a green clip on it, so you could basically see it once you look back there. But it's not something that I can see on the camera, but it's back there. I think I could probably reach back. Right there. So that's a clip, and I can't reach back to show you, but that's the clip right there, and that's where I took it from. There's a 10mm on there. It's a 10mm on there that you could take off, and then you'll get to it easily. So hopefully this video has been helpful. Like and subscribe. Thank you.